This quick video is about how to increase and decrease the text size on any iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First open Settings app. Then scroll down a bit. Then you can see this option, Display and Brightness. Open that. Then scroll down to the end. Then tap Text Size. Yes, here you can change the text size. Usually it's present on the middle, that's default size. If you move towards the right, the text size will be increases on anywhere on the iPhone. Like this. And if you move left, the text size will be decreases. Like this. Now I'm going to increase a little bit from default. Yeah, that's okay for me. Okay, that's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.